You are not going to run that light. Holy crap. You're running red lights there, boys. Fucking. Fuck me. That's a red light. You're going to go through there, buddy. Let's all run the red light, shall we? Okay. That's okay, I'll wait.
The Pointer Sisters in early '81 for their respective upcoming albums. Kanye's version stalled at 50 on the
Holy crap.
But that version we just heard there from the Pointer Sisters came true.
That was a good stop. Well done. What an idiot. Of course, there's never a cop on this road. Well, that was interesting.